Hello everyone, and welcome to the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything that is happening in the country. Let's listen to the headlines of today's news. Politically motivated arch-church job. El-Rufai speaks on money laundering allegation by Kaduna Assembly. As it's known that El-Rufai, the former governor of Kaduna State, has been accused of so many things, such as money mismanagement, money laundering, and many more. And today we get to discuss and know what he speaks about the money laundering allegation by the Kaduna Assembly. Listen to the news info. Akinwande Soji Ojo, the former Kaduna State Governor, El-Rufai, has said the allegation of fraud leveled against him by the State House of Assembly are politically motivated. An ADHO committee set up in the Kaduna State House of Assembly had recommended probe of El-Rufai's administration between 2015 to 2023. El-Rufai was accused of diversion of public funds and money laundering. The chairman of the ad hoc committee, Henry Zachariah, who presented the reports during plenary on Wednesday, said most of the loans obtained by El-Rufai administration were used for other purposes. The Assembly had in April inaugurated a 13-member committee to examine the loans, grants, and project implementation in the state during the period of El-Rufai when El-Rufai was governor. Zachariah said most of the loans obtained and projects implemented did not follow due process. The lawmakers also called for the prosecution of some of the commissioners and officials who worked under El-Rufai. The committee also recommended the immediate suspension of Shaza Badar, the Commissioner of Finance, who also served in the same capacity under El-Rufai's administration. However, reacting in a statement through his spokesperson, Møñéy, the former governor said he led a government of integrity to the best of his capacity during his 8 years office. The former governor described the activities of the ADHOC community as a jaundice probe that should be disregarded. Madam El-Rufai is immensely proud of his record and governance and the legacy he left the Kaduna State. His record consists high performance in public and private offices cannot be altered by any malicious efforts to use the auspices of a state legislature for defamation and undeserved smear. Many of the officials who served in the El-Rufai government appeared before the ADHOC committee because of their confidence in the quality of their service and rectitude which they served Kaduna State. It is sad to see such shameful departure from any notion of decency and fairness by the state legislature. We dismiss with contempt the claims being peddled in the connection with the report. Madam El-Rufai wishes to assure the standing Nigerians that he has served Kaduna State with integrity and to the best of his capacity. Assisted by a hardworking and patriotic team, he complied with all instant laws in all his activities while he was the governor. This jaundice probe should be disregarded as the politically motivated hashtag job it is. The statement read. My people, El-Rufai has come out to publicly say that El-Rufai has come out through his spokesman to publicly say that all the allegations about him concerning money laundering are false. He says that he led the Kaduna State well and his governance was clean and fair. That there is no chance of him laundering money and that this is just a politically oriented probe. My people, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share to your friends.